I can't complain that there's a lot on my plate when my goal is to eat. What's going on, guys? Speed Culture Studios, Jordan here. Thanks for stopping in. Good to see you. Little bit of an update video today because there has been a lot going on and I haven't kept up with uploading videos. I've had a couple, that are made and ready to go, but I'm just honestly not that happy with them, so I'm kind of leaving them. Been wanting really badly to do an updated 0 to 60 video, and I've started filming. Stay tuned for that to come, but it's been so friggin' hot. It is October 4th as of right now, and it's 95 degrees at noon. It's insane. Needless to say, the car doesn't obviously run to its optimum potential in temperatures like this, so we're waiting for some cooler weather. Anyway, there's been a lot happening, like I said, and there's a lot to come. So I hope you all will stick around. If you're not subscribed already, please do right now. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update. We got the splitter installed. You saw in a video or two ago. If you haven't seen it, check it out. The car is looking rip. It's a new word. Start using it if you want to. R-I-P-P. It means cool, awesome, sick, dope, rockin', rad, whatever. The car looks rip, but it scrapes on absolutely everything. Damn. But we got it taped and bolted, so we should be good. Send it, right? I've been doing a ton of traveling for work lately, sales life, hashtag hustle, hashtag grind. So that's been keeping me pretty busy and also preventing me from doing many upgrades, modifications, things like that with the car. But I may be coming to a city near you, so stay in touch and maybe we'll run into each other on the road. The other thing that I've been working really hard on with my wife is the car show fundraiser we're putting on for Speak for Animals from Greenville. They're a great organization with a great mission, and that car show is tomorrow. So it's been pretty stressful over the last few weeks trying to do a bunch of promotional stuff, trying to put together some final details, put together some raffle packages, got some great Chemical Guy stuff up for raffle, a bunch of cool stuff, and it should be a good show. So stick around for some video of that. Hopefully it's a good turnout. If it's not, you won't see it. Speaking of Chemical Guys, I got the Chemical Guys complete kind of polish kit, bought some additional polishes and whatnot, which I think you saw in a recent video as well. So we're going to try to do a full paint correction here when I finally get some time. Things are starting to settle down, especially once this car show is over with. We're going to hit that, get this black beauty looking sharp. And if we mess it up, we'll take it to a local detail shop that does some great work. The only problem is I got an estimate from them not too long ago, $1,200. Son of a gun. Just for a reminder, here's my little detail kit. So we got the applicator. These are the applicator microfiber pads. I got those a while ago, but we have them. A couple of different polisher pads. Obviously the Torque X polisher itself, more microfiber towels, we got the pad conditioner, we got the scratch and swirl remover, boom, and we got some other polishes if necessary. So we got a lot of stuff going on here. We're ready to go. We're ready to tackle the project. I may or may not be eyeballing some new wheels, trying to work a deal. We'll see what happens there, but I think I am ready to mess with the brakes. I think we're going to start putting some components together. The weather's cooling down. Have another mountain drive planned. I think we're going to hit the Dragon next month. So pretty pumped about that. Just don't know if the big brakes are going to be compatible with my current wheels. I think I have a little bit of room, and moving because the rotors are larger with the big brakes, the caliper gets moved up a bit, and I think that's where I start getting some more clearance with my current wheels. So we'll find out. And I have a little bit of wiggle room in terms of spacer goes. I think I can push it out without rubbing fender, maybe 5 more millimeters. So we're gonna get the parts and we'll see if they fit. If not, then we may have to explore some different wheel options. But again, that all hinges on something I'm trying to work out right now. I've been working on a ton of house projects. That's something I forgot to mention. Finally got the back deck patio entertainment area all squared away. Did a bunch of paver work and some deck expansion up the sides, built a fire pit, built a pergola, all by myself. Pretty skilled. But anyway, a lot going on tonight. Not a whole lot. Maybe I'm going to film because it's relatively boring. Got to get the house ready. Got some friends come to stay. Finish up some signs for the show. Got to clean up the car for the show, obviously. So maybe we'll take a look at it when it's done. But hey, let's take a look at this package that I got here in the mail. That quote at the beginning, by the way, I'm not sure who said it or where it's from. I read it this morning on somebody's Instagram, and it actually was like, oh, that's good. I haven't heard a good quote for a long time. You know, anybody and everybody these days is trying to be a motivational speaker, and you hear versions of the same quote over and over and over. Everyone tries to be original, but they're just stealing other people's crap. Anyway, this was a quote that I hadn't heard or come across before, and it actually kind of had an effect. I have a lot going on, as a lot of people do. I'm no different in that regard, but I'm grateful that there's a lot going on. It's very stressful, and being pulled in a lot of different directions. Sometimes I'm doing some really exciting things, and sometimes I'm doing some things that I don't necessarily even want to be doing. But in the end, I'm grateful to be here, alive on this earth, as a human being, especially in the United States of America, and have the opportunity to have all these different experiences and do different things. I mean, I'm traveling for a living and making videos on YouTube on the side, and it's awesome. So I can't complain about having a lot on my plate when the goal ultimately is to eat. So there we go. Let's look at this box. If you guys are watching this channel, there's a good chance that you're watching Adam LZ's channel as well. And if you aren't, you should. But he's giving away his new Supra, and that thing is souped up, no pun intended. But to be entered in the giveaway, you got to buy some stuff on his website. And I don't usually enter raffles like this because the stuff generally isn't that good of quality, and it's pretty expensive. But I really want to win a new Supra and $15,000 in cash, so I bought some stuff. So let's take a look and see what we got here, huh? So I got the sweatshirt. We'll look at that. Spoiler, I was wearing the shades, that's why they're out of the case, but the case actually is pretty decent. Hold up. Glasses are not too bad. I mean, I didn't have super high expectations, but they're good enough. You don't have to worry about wrecking your nice pair. I think I'm going to keep these in my wife's car, because every time I take mine out of my car and wear them in her car, they get left behind or brought in the house, and then I never have them in my car, so I'm going to leave these in there. Apparently they're polarized lenses. No complaints, except they look dark, but the sun, if it's setting in front of you, it's still pretty damn bright. I decided to do one little extra entry. It's like an entry for every $5, so I did an extra sticker pack. I didn't realize that it was like 1,000,000 stickers, but this is cool. This green one's pretty BA. A little different one there, a couple different green ones. That's pretty sweet, but they'll go up on the collection, at least one or so. Give a couple to my daughter. Whatever, no big deal. But let's look at this sweatshirt. It's a hoodie. I hate that word. I never say hoodie, but it is what it is. Not too bad. It feels pretty lightweight, so and it's, you know, it's the typical kind of printed sweatshirt material, you know, but it looks cool. So I wish it had the zipper, but I didn't get the zip one. Whatever, pullover's cool enough. But it'll be nice for winter, so I'm pretty amped, I think. I don't remember what I got, like, it's $5 per entry, 11. I think I got like 12 or 13 entries with all this stuff, something like that. 13, 14 entries maybe. I don't know. I'm sure there's millions, but feeling pretty good about it. So stay tuned, see if I win that Supra. I do like these though, because they're kind of that decal style. So stick them on, you don't have that weird background or whatever. Looks pretty rip. We got rid of that old fridge too, so we got a little more room in the shop. We got, like I said, we finished the outside projects, got rid of some of that wood you guys are used to seeing, so the shop is getting to be in good shape too. So a lot of good stuff coming up this fall. I'm pumped. And here's the car. Oof. I don't know if you can tell in this sunshine, but she is dirty. Gotta get this sucker cleaned up. Oh, that's the other thing too. We're gonna get this grill replaced. I'm tired of looking at this plasti dip. So I think I'm gonna purchase the gloss black one, but I am going to strip this one and paint it first and see. If it turns out good, we'll keep it. If it looks like crap, we will replace it. Lips still looking good. Wheels dirty AF. Don't even have to show you the rear. Oof. Golly, it is sitting good though. This thing looks good. Let's get her cleaned up and we'll take a look at it. You know, I organized this car show with my wife, of course, so you know, the main car's got to be looking good. Surprise too, stay tuned. We have a special guest. He chose to kind of keep it quiet, but we're expecting a special guest to the car show, and there's a good chance you know who he is or you've seen his videos. YouTuber, did I say that? Big YouTuber, big YouTuber. It is 10 o'clock at night. We're finally getting to wash the car. All right, washed and dried. I'm gonna pull it in for wheels and tires. All right, wheels and tires are done as far as being wiped off and dried. Of course, we're gonna put some tire dressing on, get them nice and shiny, but I like to let them dry a little bit more before we do that. So, might as well get the, engine bay looking a little bit better. Dang, been neglecting her. One Chemical Guys product I really do like is the Silk Shine dressing. It's for the interior, obviously, but it's water-based, so it works great in the engine bay. So, little microfiber towel. We'll go to town a little before. After. All right, I think we're done. Okay, guys, that is it. That is it. The car's looking good. Car show is tomorrow, less than, well, I don't even know. Well, I don't even know what time it is. 12 hours away. Who knows? We're going to be there early, get things set up. Stay tuned for that video. It's going to be cool. It's going to be cool. Thank you guys very much for stopping in. Subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate all the support going forward. We are well on our way to 3,000 subscribers by the first of the year. I know we can do it. And if you haven't subscribed, like I said, please do hit the thumbs up as well. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you have any other video ideas, I will definitely explore them. But some good stuff coming up. So looking forward to seeing you guys in the future videos. Thanks again. See ya.